Welcome back. India Against Corruption wants Lokayukta in force by 19 December. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated throughout Goa on Sunday, but the official function at Old Goa witnessed protest from India Against Corruption activists, Save Old Goa Action Committee. The committee has objected to government's decision for holding concluding function of IFI on the day of Feast of St. Francis Xavier. The day is also a birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, the former Prime Minister of India. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, North Goa MP Shripad Naik, MLA Pandurang Madgaikar and others paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi on his 142nd anniversary. School children, state officials and others joined the Gandhi Jayanti to remember Father of the Nation. Lal Bahadur Shastri was also born on 2nd October. Chief Minister said that the government would soon implement proposals of Nagwekar Committee to protect interest of traditional Goan business communities like bakers, toddy tappers and others.
60-61 असे कितले व्यवसाय हे आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा आणि म्हाका आनंद जाता की सरकारान तांचो रिपोर्ट एक्सेप्ट केल्लो आसा आणि हो रिपोर्ट थोड्याच दिसां भितर चालीक लागतलो.
But soon after this function, youth activists of India Against Corruption held protest and formed human chain demanding passing Goa Lokayukta Bill 2003.
Pass the Goa Lokayukta Bill prior to any other business in the assembly session, even before the PAC report is being discussed, and finally frame all rules and appoint a Lokayukta by December 19, 2011, that is Goa's 50th Liberation Day. So these are our main demands.
Later, Save Old Goa Action Committee protested as government has scheduled closing ceremony of IFI on the day of Feast of St. Francis Xavier. They also want master plan for Old Goa, a village of heritage importance.
हिंगासोर लोकांक फॅसिलिटी जाय ती मेळना म्हणजे उदकाची सोयी सारकी ना टॉयलेट सारके ना आनी ह्यार तरे म्हणजे इवन सेक्युरिटी सारकी लेस आसता इफीक हजारांनी लोक जाता गोयच्या साहेबाच्या नोयनाक फेस्ताक लाखांनी लोक जाता सरकार इफीक क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज स्पेंड करता आनी हिंगा गोंयान व्हॅल्यू लेस दिता.
On the other side, DGP Aditya Arya installed a portrait of Gandhiji in his cabin at police headquarters. This portrait is painted by Goan artist Subodh Kerkar.
It is not the wall, I was saying that Bapu on the wall. Bapu, the spirit, is the spirit of the nation, and we have to keep that spirit alive. And this is the golden jubilee year of the Goa liberation, I feel. Rather, I'm thinking that we should have a Goa Police Week celebrated, where we can bring the public and police together, and whatever the gap, trust gap between the police and public is, that can be narrowed and if possible to brought to zero.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath laid the foundation stone for municipal solid waste treatment plant at Sonsoro on Sunday. CM urged the Fomento Industries to initiate the work of house-to-house collection of garbage. He also said that the work of Kadamba bus terminus at Madgaon will commence on the day of Dasra. Madgaon Municipality and Sociedad de Fomento Industries Private Limited with ILNFS Waste Management and Urban Services laid the foundation stone for municipal solid waste treatment plant at Sonsoro. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Urban Development Minister Joki Alemao, Fatorda MLA Damu Naik, Kuttori MLA Reginald Lawrence, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav and others were present for the function.
तसो हाऊस टू हाऊस गार्बेज कलेक्शन पण आसा ते सुद्धा ह्या कंपनीन पुढाकार घेवचो आणि गरज पडले जाल्यार मातशे चड पैसे खर्च करचे पडल्यार सुद्धा पैसे खर्च करून हाऊस टू हाऊस कलेक्शन सुद्धा ह्या कंपनीन घेवचे अशी विनंती हांव अवधूत तिमल्याक आणि ताच्या कंपनीक करता. आणि कदंबा बस टर्मिनसाचो फाउंडेशन स्टोन हो दसऱ्याच्या दिसा घातलो वतलो ताई सांगपाक म्हाका आनंद जाता.
Chairman of Fomento, Avdut Timlo, said that each family should start the waste management at household level.
लोकांनी जर 1 स्क्वेअर मीटर भितर जर थंय काम केलें संसदाची गरज ना म्हणून 50,000 जर फॅमिली आसा हांगा कुडतोरी फातोरप्या हांगा फातोड्ड्या मडगांव आनी बाकी साश्टे 50,000 स्क्वेअर मिटराची गरज ना 1 स्क्वेअर मिटराची गरज आसा आणि तो 1 स्क्वेअर मीटर बरे भशेन सांबाळप जाल्यार सगळे शहर स्वच्छ उरता.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Workers of Goa Meat Complex are up in arms yet again after almost a year. They are out with the same demands for implementation of 6th pay, uniform age of retirement and bonus. They have called for an indefinite strike till the demands are met.
Workers of Goa Meat Complex at Usgaon under the banner of Goa Government Employees Association held a demonstration against government's failure to fulfill their demands. The complex is being run by the Animal Husbandry Department. Surprisingly, a year has passed, but the government has still not considered their demands.
6 पे कमिशन स्किल्स तांकां लागू करपाची आनी दुसरो डिमांड जावन आसा युनिफॉर्म एज ऑफ रिटायरमेंट. थोडे एम्प्लॉइजांक तांणी 58 रिटायर करूंक सुरू केलां, थोडे एम्प्लॉइजांक 60 इयर्सांचेर आनी थोडे एम्प्लॉइजांक 59 इयर्स आनी 6 मंथ अशें केन्नाच खंयच्याच हेणें जायना, खंयच्याच मॅनेजमेंटान जायना. म्हणून आमकां एम्प्लॉइजांक जाय युनिफॉर्म एज ऑफ रिटायरमेंट आनी एज ऑफ रिटायरमेंट 6 पे रिकमेंडेशनां काला.
They have called for an indefinite strike from Saturday night.
जेन्ना 6 वीक जाता तेन्ना कितें तरी इनिशिएटीव घेवचें अशें कामगारांचे वतीन आमची अपेक्षा आसलेली. परतून 2 वीक गेले तरी मॅनेजमेंट कितेंच हालचाल करना. तेन्ना शेवटचो पर्याय असो म्हणून रातच्यान त्यांनी स्ट्रायक करपाचें सुरू केलां आनी तो स्ट्रायक जावन आसा आतां चालूच उरतलो जो पर्यंत मॅनेजमेंट जे तेंचे मागणे जे आसा जे रास्त मागणे आसा. कित्याक 5वी आयोगाच्या पगारान कशेंच शक्य जायना. 6वी.
A reporter from Usgaon, Vivek Prabhu.
Prime accused in the Moti Dongar brutal assault case, Maqbul Sirsi, along with other 2 accused, surrendered before the Madgaon police on Sunday. Madgaon Sessions Court had denied him the bail on Saturday.
Accused Maqbul Sirsi finally surrendered at Madgaon police station on Sunday. Maqbul Sirsi was wanted in Bashir Sheikh and Anwar Tamba brutal assault case. There was a long-time rivalry between Maqbul Sirsi gang and Bashir Sheikh gang. Bashir Sheikh was brutally chopped in the premises of Hospicio on September 9th. Maqbul Sirsi was absconding from that day. His bail plea was dismissed by Sessions Court of Madgaon on Saturday. Now Maqbul Sirsi is finally in the clutches of Madgaon police. He, along with Panka, alias Lakshman, and Raju Chavan, surrendered before the police on Sunday evening.
लफड्यार नासलो हे लफड्यान आनी मागीर भाव नासले कोणी नासले बिश्टी मागीर नांव पिड्यार केलें बिश्टी मागीर नांव घातला केसीन ताका लागून हांव एंट्री सेफ्टी बेल घातलो मागीर रिजेक्ट जालें म्हणून हांव सरेंडर जाता आयज.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.